Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making a cheese omelet with ham and green onion with garlic bread in our 8-inch cast iron skillet. So let's get started. To get started making our cheese omelet with ham and onion, we're going to need some onion. So we're going to use the green onion. And up top here, we're just going to chop these up fine and make like a garnish out of the top pieces. Make it look nice. And then when we get down to the bottom here, we'll save them for our omelet. We'll just put these in the bowl. Just like that. So we can spritz that on top. And then we're going to use the bottom part in our omelet, which is the white part and always tasty. We're going to get some of that green too to make it colorful as we go up towards the tip. And that ought to be enough. Now let's just chop it up a little finer. Right? Keep doing this, and then we'll get our ham ready. Put that in a bowl. Okay. Now let's get our ham ready. I think we better chop this up too. It's a piece of ham. Now let's chop it up. Make little strips. I like little strips though in the cheese omelet. But this time we're going to just do chunks. Leave a couple strips in there and make it interesting. And there you go, we're all done. Yeah, to make our cheese omelet, we just cracked 3 eggs in a bowl. Just like this. Preferably without the shells. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Okay. No problem. And we'll crack 3 eggs, like I said, in the bowl. Now we'll beat these up a little bit. Like that. And then we'll add our ham and onion. Now we're going to set our stove burner to medium low and let it get nice and hot. It'll take about 4 minutes. Okay, now that our pan's heated up good, we're going to be putting in a little bit of oil there, and we're going to be adding our egg. Okay, now all we have to do is cover that and let it cook for a while. Okay, let's check our egg. It looks pretty good. Our omelet looks really good. Let's add some cheese. Right? And now we get ready to flip it over. That looks good. Okay. Definitely done. Done nice. We add a little more cheese and we cover the lid. Cover that with a lid and let her melt the cheese. Okay, let's get ready to plate that up. And we'll check it out. Beautiful. Just beautiful. wipe out our pan a little bit here. Now all we have to do is make our garlic bread. Or in this case, garlic toast. There's your garlic. Give that a flip. Well, here you go, folks. Just put the toast on there, the garlic toast. Add a little bit of the green onion. And there you have it. Beautiful. We gotta cut that open for you. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Just absolutely beautiful. Well, time to eat. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.